Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha, and today guys I'm going to be doing a hair review. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below, like up the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, I am excited to show you my new addition to the my little wig collection. So yes guys, I'm so excited to show you Mrs. Red, the new addition to my wig family collection guys. I have Miss Blondie. I really love Miss Blondie. Guys, I wear Miss Blondie ever so often guys, but today guys I got this cheap wig, and when I say cheap guys, I mean cheap guys. It's 32 inches. But guys, it's not human hair, it's synthetic. It's synthetic hair guys, because guess what guys, I don't have human hair money guys. It's back to school. But guys, I really wanted a wig, a new wig, right? And before wearing human hair, I used to wear synthetic hair some 10 years ago, and I used to kind of cure it, right? So that should not be a problem. So guys, I'll be giving you a review today. I'll be telling you some pros and cons of this wig, as well as a short installation. Guys, let me just put it on my head top for you guys. So guys, let me tell you the name of the hair, so if you guys are interested you can get it. It is the 32-inch Ombre red synthetic lace front wig. So the color guys is Ombre, and it's 32 inches, and guys it's true to length. So let me just knock this on one time. Yes people, my ensure say, woo, guys, I'm a new woman one time. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. So guys, let me give you some advantages and disadvantages of this wig before I start to, alright, I can start to brush it. Let me ensure that it's centered guys. It looks centered to me. Wanna think people? Yes guys. So guys, some advantages of this wig is that it's true to length. Let me just show you guys a clip of the back how tall this wig is. So guys, it's at my bum, right? So it's a very tall, long wig guys. But guys, I know myself, I can't manage all of this hair, so I'm gonna snap it. I think I'm gonna cut it right here, right at my breast, and then I'm gonna give it some dimensions at the front. So guys, apart from it being true to length guys, it looks realistic guys. It doesn't give that synthetic look to it. It's not shiny, it's not glossy. It actually looks like human hair. But guys, when you touch it, you see that it's actually synthetic hair, because guys, I find it to be a little bit dry, but nothing that a little leave-in conditioner won't fix. When I put this baby in my hair, it feels better. It doesn't feel that dry again. Guys, another thing guys is that it fits well guys. You don't have to use the got to be on this.
For it, if you go outside and the breeze lick your left, right and center, it's not going to fall off your head guys. It's very secure.
So the pins are very secure, so that's another advantage guys. Another advantage guys is that this hair, it doesn't shed much. So yes guys, when you brush it, two hair are gonna come out there, but it doesn't shed much. This unit is only for $25, and I've bought unit for $150, and it's human hair and it's shed. So this So this unit, guys, it doesn't shed much. But what I can say though, a disadvantage so far, is that it easily tangles. So guys, the hair tangles. So yes, but it's synthetic hair, that is to be expected. So a way to get with the tangle, guys, or to prohibit the tangle, is to cut it. So this here, as you can see, reach way down here. So people, let me show you. So far ready, I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna style it. So guys, I would recommend for you to guys to get this hair. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I'm gonna be cutting this wig. I'm gonna ensure that it's cut properly, so I might just go off camera and come back because I don't want to spoil the unit, guys. So I was thinking of right here guys, right at the breast, and I have my scissors. So guys, I'll be right back. Yay guys, I cut all this off. Remember guys, it was at my butt, and look at it now. I'm gonna be ensuring that they don't look too butchered. It's still long, but it's not at my butt anymore, right? And guys, it's much easier to manage right now, right? So I'm just gonna be brushing it out and adding some leave-in conditioner and ensuring that the ends are not butchered. So guys, I cut the unit. I think I'm still gonna be doing some more cutting off camera. I'm gonna give an update as to whether or not the unit sheds even more after cutting it. Before I wasn't experiencing much shedding, but I'm gonna tell you if it sheds even more, all right, after cutting it. So guys, this is what it's looking like now, and I really love it. The next thing guys I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be just getting the front parts, guys, and I'm gonna be giving the hair a little bit more layer. I wish guys I was able to do it on camera, but I'm no expert. I'm not gonna lie about it. So let me just cut a little bit and come right back. So guys, this is what it's looking like right now. I tried to give it some layers, guys. I'm no expert. Your girl did try, but this is what it's looking like. And I love it. I must say guys, I absolutely love this unit. So guys, if you love my wig, please put the fire emoji down below, guys. Quick installation and prepping, and you guys will do much better if you guys are expert or know more about hair, guys. I love it. I love the shade, I love the color. I'm just gonna fix it up just a little bit more. Don't want to finish my deep conditioner and brush it through, but this is what the unit is looking like. I love the color. It's bright, it's red, and it's vibrant. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like out the video, guys, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.